Most people think iOS 26 is just another update with minor visual changes. But what if I told you it's packed with hidden features that Apple barely talks about? Features that can actually make your iPhone smarter, faster, and more secure. In this video, I'll show you 10 hidden iOS 26 tricks that you need to know right now. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now, so you never miss a tech tip that could change the way you use your phone. Your iOS 26 home screen isn't just prettier, it's smarter, more personal, and more powerful than ever. First up, Smart Widgets 2.0. These aren't static anymore. When you swipe through a widget stack, iOS now learns which widgets you use most and automatically brings those forward at the right time of day, like showing you calendar in the morning and music at night. You can also pin a widget to the top of the stack so it stays visible, even with auto rotation on. In iOS 26, battery intelligence takes your iPhone's power management to the next level with smarter, AI-driven optimization that works silently in the background. It learns your daily habits, like when you usually charge, how long you use specific apps, and even your typical screen on time, and then adjusts power usage to extend both daily battery life and long-term battery health. One of the standout features is Adaptive Charging 2.0, which delays charging past 80% until just before you typically unplug, reducing battery aging. You'll also see new insights under Settings Battery, including a charging forecast and personalized tips to save energy based on app activity. If an app drains power excessively, iOS 26 now flags it and gives you one-tap controls to limit background activity or location access. It's like having a built-in battery assistant that quietly works to give you more screen time and fewer unexpected shutdowns. iOS 26 brings live translation directly into FaceTime calls. Yes, real-time subtitles while you talk. Whether you're speaking to someone in Spanish, Mandarin, or French, your iPhone listens and instantly displays translated captions on screen. Just start a FaceTime call, tap the new Live Translate icon, and watch the magic happen. It's perfect for international meetings, travel, or connecting with friends across languages. iOS 26 adds True Intelligence to your calendar app. When you get a text or email with a date, event, or location, the system now proactively suggests adding it as an event, with full context. If a friend says, "Let's meet Tuesday at 3 p.m. at Blue Bottle," iOS offers a one-tap prompt to create the event with time, title, and location already filled in. You'll see this suggestion above the keyboard, or in the Calendar app's Inbox tab. Say goodbye to manual entry. In iOS 26, Messages gets a massive visual upgrade that makes every conversation feel personal. First, you can now change the background of individual chats. Just tap the chat name, choose Background, and select from dynamic themes, gradients, or even live wallpapers. It instantly transforms your text threads into customized spaces. But that's not all. Apple's new avatar writing tool lets you send animated, handwritten notes or doodles using your Memoji character, adding a fun, personal touch. Just tap the plus icon, choose Avatar Pen, and draw your message, which animates as it's delivered. There's also smarter message search, voice message transcription, and a new swipe to reply gesture that makes keeping up with conversations faster than ever. In iOS 26, taking a screenshot is more powerful than ever. Now you get a quick actions bar that lets you instantly copy text, blur private details, or even translate text straight from the image. No extra apps needed. You can save screenshots as PDFs, crop them right from the preview, and even capture full-page screenshots in apps like Messages and Mail, not just Safari. It's a smarter, faster way to capture and share what matters. iOS 26 brings Android's favorite feature, Circle to Search. Whether it's an object in a video, a brand in a photo, or a word on a web page, just activate Circle mode by holding the Power plus Volume Up button, then draw a circle with your finger. Instantly, Spotlight Search pulls up relevant info. It works system-wide, in Safari, YouTube, or even inside apps, and keeps your workflow fluid without needing screenshots. Listening to Apple Music on your iPhone. Just bring it near your HomePod or iPad, and boom, the song continues playing on the other device. That's music handoff. It uses proximity and AirPlay to create a seamless transition. And for playlist lovers, Crossfade is finally here. Your tracks smoothly blend into each other. No awkward silence. Go to Settings Music and toggle on Crossfade. The new call dialer in iOS 26 finally gets a modern refresh, and it's more than just a new look. The dialer now features a smart, minimalist interface with larger buttons and haptic feedback for a smoother, more precise feel. But the real game changer is the smart contact suggestions that appear as you dial, based on call history, time of day, and even your calendar. There's also built-in voicemail transcription right below the keypad, so you can see missed messages instantly. Plus, if you're using dual SIM, switching numbers is now just a tap away from the dial screen. It's clean, intelligent, and finally catches up with how we actually use our phones today. The camera app in iOS 26 gets a major upgrade that brings both power and simplicity to your fingertips. First, the redesigned interface now places key controls like zoom, flash, and aspect ratio within thumb's reach, so you can adjust settings without interrupting your shot. There's a new Pro control bar for manual tweaking, exposure, white balance, and shutter speed, ideal for creators and advanced users. But even casual users will love the new auto scene detection, which uses AI to recognize pets, food, or documents, and adjust settings automatically for the best results. One of the coolest new tools? The Live Lens preview that shows real-time filters and depth effects before you even snap the photo. Whether you're a pro shooter or just capturing moments, iOS 26's camera is sharper, smarter, and more fun to use than ever. And that's just scratching the surface of iOS 26. These hidden features make your iPhone more powerful, personal, and fun than ever before. Which feature blew your mind? Drop it in the comments. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more hidden iPhone tricks every week.